Hi guys, it's Lady May here. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm at Discount House, Salford Shopping Center. I've just fixed my phone and I'm very happy with the service I've received today. And I just thought to share with you guys. So say hello to the store manager.
Hi everyone. We sell phones, accessories, gaming stuff, computer, laptop, chargers. We do repairing as well. So this is your store, you know where to come. If you get your phone broke or anything, or if you want to buy some electronics, this is the perfect place. Mariam got a very good discount, She came late.
Thank
Good
you very
discount.
much.
Okay.
So I'll just take you quickly around the store so you can have a quick look. So there you go, guys. Sorry. Yeah, that is it. Yeah. So please do check them out, and I'll leave a link to their contact details just on the description of this video.